Right, algebra and composition of functions. Okay, so this here, this just means plug a 6 into both functions and then add them. I think if I plug a 6 into here, 36 times 308, yeah, that gives me 106. Plug a 6 into here, 6 to 2, that's 4. The answer's 110, okay? This here, next one, just means subtract the 2. Take the first one, subtract the second one. 3x squared, nothing else to subtract in there with the x squareds. Negative 2 means negative 2 plus 2, so that's going to cancel, and you've still got this negative x here, so that is the answer. This next one, composition now. Plug the 4 only into the f. If I plug 4 into there, 4 squared is 16, times 3 is 48, take away 2, I'll get 46 when I do that. I then plug the 46 into the g equation. 46 take away 2 is 44. Okay. Now this one here, this just means plug the g equation into the f. All you're doing is taking this here and plugging it right there. So this is 3. Instead of x, it's x minus 2. It's all squared. It's minus 2 there, okay? And that you can leave it like that. That's okay. Right, transformations. Remember this? Reflected through the x-axis and moved 3 to the left. That's what that is. Average rate of change. Next one. Okay, now this is like doing the slope equation. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Now you have the x's. Here they are. So this is 3 take away 1. What you don't have is the y's, okay? Now you have to plug the 3 in and the 1 in to get them. So when x is 3, 3 squared is 9, times 3 is 27, minus 2 times 3 is 6, so that is 21. Okay, so when x is 3, y is 21. When x is 1, 1 squared is 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 1 is 2, 3 take away 2 is 1. Right, that's what's that, 20 over 2, the answer is 10. Okay, inverses. Remember, change these to y equals, and then swap the letters round. X equals 2y cubed plus 3. Right, okay, so we need to get this y by itself. You're going to take away 3 first. That's 2y cubed. You're going to divide by 2. So you've got y cubed equals x minus 3 all over 2. Finally, you cube root to get rid of the cubed. So the answer is the cube root of x minus 3 over 2. Okay? And well, we'll do another one of these. Let's take a look at this. So x equals 8y minus 5 over 7. I just changed the x and the y's around. First thing to do, multiply by 7. Okay? Then you've got to add this 5. So far I've got the 7x plus the 5 equals the 8y. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. That is the inverse. So we times by 7, add a 5, divide by 8. Right, odd, even, and neither. Remember this? This is even because it's got even exponents, and this negative 3 is not going to affect it. If we put a 1 there, this is definitely odd. So that's even. That's odd. This is not odd, even though it looks like it might be. Remember, you can't have these with the odd functions. Okay, last one down here. Let's have a look. Transformations. Right, okay, so this is the x squared graph, but it has been moved 3 to the left, so that is that, and 2 down. So that's what that is, okay? That there. So 3 to the left and 2 down. Right, this is the absolute graph. It's been flipped upside down. So get that in first. It's been moved 2 to the right, so that is that, and 5 up, so that is that. There we go.